everybody! I'm here today to show you how to turn on an iron. This will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, we have an iron. I'm going to show you how to turn it on. The first thing that you want to do is make sure that you stand your iron upright, okay? And that's simply because the iron will get hot once you turn it on. So make sure that it's upright and make sure that the bottom of the iron, the actual metal part over here, the actual material part right here that gets hot is away from everything, okay? So that's the first step. Make sure that it's upright because safety comes first. Now I will be demonstrating with this specific iron, but they all operate in a very similar way. So yeah, that's basically it. What you want to do is you want to take the plug, which is right over here, take the plug and you want to plug it into an electrical outlet. So as you can see right here, I have my plug. There's the outlet right there. I'm going to take it and plug it in, okay? Now what we're going to do is we're actually going to take the iron and we're going to turn it on by setting the temperature. So right now, as you can see, the light is on, which means it's actually already on, but it's going to get a little bit hot in this mode, okay? Now you can see right here, there's a dial, and it shows that the temperature goes from the minimum, which it's at right now. Right now it's at the minimum, all the way to the maximum, and it shows what type of fabric you would use, you would be ironing for each of the temperature modes. So to turn the iron on to a much higher temperature, what you want to do is turn the dial. So turn it to whatever you want. Let's say I wanted it right there. That would be for a certain type of fabric. If I wanted it even warmer, I would go a little bit higher, okay? And that light down there is telling me that the iron is actually heating up right now, okay? That light over there. Now, not all irons are going to have the same lights, but there should be an indicator somewhere letting you know that the iron is powered on, okay? And that it's heating up, as you can see right there. If I wanted to go to the hottest setting, I would go all the way to the warmest setting, to the hottest setting. Now, like I said, your iron will get hot, so you want to make sure that it's standing upright until you're ready to use it, and that this is far away from everything. This part right here is far away from everything. My iron is already hot. I can already feel the heat steaming off of it, and it's only been, I don't know, a few moments of me turning it up. So it will get really hot, okay? That's basically it. Whenever you want to turn off your iron as an added bonus, you want to make sure to turn the dial all the way down, which will lower the temperature, and then to completely turn it off, you have to unplug it. So make sure that you take the plug from the electrical outlet and unplug it. It's super important to make sure that you unplug it to make sure that the iron is turned off completely. That's basically it, and let it cool down before you, you put everything away. So I would let the iron cool down. When it's completely cold, then I would, get the cord, wrap it up and put it away and so forth. And this iron, you can actually wrap the cord around here, which is pretty cool. But that's it. That is how to turn on an iron, a simple and easy tutorial. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.